Good morning. This video is inspired by Auntie Laurie, a senior Tai Chi instructor for the city of Coquitlam. So what about folks who have, let's say, a physical impairment that prevents them from standing for too long or even standing in general? Is rope flow possible? Are there certain moves that they can practice to get some benefits of movement, both in the spine but also in the shoulders, while staying seated? So I've tested out a few moves that are definitely still possible. So you can do it on a bench, if you have a stool, any chair that doesn't have arms should work. So I'll show a few of the different ones. So one is one-handed moves. So these would be things like one-handed overarm swings like this. And then you can bring it to the other side to get a bit more twist in your body. So this would be a one-handed race and chase in a sense. You can add 2 beats to make it a matador. Like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can also do it underhand. So underhand would be coming the other direction, coming from the bottom. So 1, 2, swinging it from side to side, engaging your core and twisting your body like this. Or 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Besides those 2 moves, there are some other moves that you can do, but you may need to shorten the rope as well. You won't be able to probably do the dragon roll as effectively, but it's still somewhat possible. Although the dragon roll is a bit difficult, if you are not able to stand, you can do the dragon head quite easily, which looks like this. So you're swinging the rope from right to left, one direction like this, and you're going from front to back to front to back. So the same principles of the dragon roll apply, and I'll also link to the video on the dragon head on how to do it. So high rollers, here's what it looks like. You're going like this. And this is a shoulder workout. What you're doing is when it's, let's say if you're going from right to left, from the back, you'll be using your left hand to throw it forward, and then your right hand to throw it back to the back. And you're going in this direction, so that would be swinging. Let's say if I look to my left, it's underhand. If I look to my right, it's overhand. So I'm swinging from right to the left, like that. My right side to my left side. Left hand throws from the back to the front, right hand throws from the front to the back. Another one that will be good for coordination is passes. So you're basically doing 2 beats on each side. And what you do is when you cross over to the other side, you have your thumb down, palm facing the back, and you let it wrap around your hand like that. So that's a Matador pass. And make sure you're twisting your body and not just using your hands. Yes, when you're learning, it's fine to just focus on the hands, but eventually the main benefit of rope flow is to engage your spine and twist. Is it possible with no ground contact at all? Yes, but you may want to exercise some precaution, just in case you may have balancing issues or you may fall off the chair. Just the way I'm seated does make it a bit harder because I have my knees jutting out like this, but I'm trying to do it for the sense of a bit more balance without relying on my legs to contact the ground. Another one that's possible is the shoulder spiral. So that is basically one swing here, and then you go into high whip, low whip, back to the left side, high whip, low whip, back to the left side. High whip, low whip. Again, if you want to learn some of these moves, you can learn it from the tutorial videos that I have on these moves. They are generally made for able-bodied people, but if you are seated and you're not able to stand for long periods, you can use the same principles as well. Make sure you practice on both sides, especially if you're doing one-handed movements. You can also do wraps. Or two-handed. Or from the underhand position,